Understanding Scalp Condition, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, scalp condition. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for enhancing your English language skills. So, let's dive in and discover what it means and how it's used. Scalp condition refers to the state or health of the skin on the head where hair grows. It's important in both medical and cosmetic contexts. This phrase can encompass various situations, from normal, healthy conditions to issues like dryness, oiliness, dandruff, or dermatological disorders. Here, we'll discuss some frequent scalp issues. Dandruff, for instance, is characterized by flaking skin on the scalp. Dry scalp, on the other hand, is when the skin lacks moisture. Oily scalp occurs when there's excessive oil production. Each of these conditions has distinct symptoms and treatments. Understanding your scalp condition is crucial for proper hair care and overall health. A healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth and can prevent discomfort and embarrassment. It's also important in diagnosing certain health issues. Proper scalp care depends on your specific condition. It might involve using specialized shampoos, avoiding certain products, or implementing a hygiene routine. Consulting a dermatologist is advisable if you experience severe or persistent issues. In conversation, you might hear, "I'm using a special shampoo for my scalp condition," or, "Do you know any good treatments for scalp conditions?" Being familiar with this phrase helps in understanding and discussing health and beauty topics in English. I hope this video has helped you understand what scalp condition means and why it's important. Remember, learning phrases like this is a great step towards fluency in English. See you in our next lesson.